Women are the future of the nation. In line with the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Bhupendra Patel, the Navsari District Panchayat launched the Saksham Yuvika Abhiyan for adolescent empowerment in the year 2023-24. This initiative connected 212 schools in the district, where 4,177 8th grade students participated in sessions conducted by 1248 experts from 10 different departments, totaling 12,720 sessions as part of a mega campaign. Considering the positive outcomes, in the year 2024-25, the campaign continued with 212 schools engaging 7,381 students from the 7th and 8th grades, who participated in 8480 sessions conducted by 908 experts from 9 different departments. During these sessions, experts provided guidance and training on physical, mental, and psychological development. In response to modern-day challenges and crimes, sessions on cyber awareness and digital literacy, including banking, were held. Additionally, one session was dedicated to promoting natural agriculture for the future. To combat atrocities against women such as domestic violence, child marriage, and teenage pregnancies, students were made aware of various laws and support centers as part of proactive preparation. Furthermore, career guidance was provided to support the holistic development of students, with a focus on employment opportunities after the completion of their education. Nutritional meals were provided in every session. High-quality resource materials were prepared and utilized in all schools to maintain session standards. Multipurpose question papers were used to assess students' knowledge and enhance session quality. The sessions were successfully managed through the Saksham Yuvika mobile application, which recorded session operations, student attendance, session photographs, and scores obtained by each student. Upon completion of the 2023-24 plan, 624 students were found to be free from anemia, with improvements in BMI observed in 271 students. One student was identified with sickle cell anemia, and 48 students with sickle cell traits were informed about necessary future precautions. Health data, such as a reduction in the number of teenage mothers, were observed at the beginning and end of the campaign. Similarly, upon completion of the 2024-25 plan, 21 students were found to be free from anemia, with improvements in BMI observed in 235 students. Therefore, the Saksham Yuvika Abhiyan by the Navsari district is a step towards realizing the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister, symbolizing healthy, educated, and safe young women, empowered young women.